This is a numerical based on AC circuit. A 25 microfarad capacitor, 0.10 inductor, and 25 ohm resistance. So C is 25 microfarad, so it become 25 into 10 raised to minus 6. Okay, it convert into farad. Inductor value is 0.10 Henry. It is already in SI unit. Resistance value is 25 ohm. Are connected in series with EMF is 310 sin 340 T volt. We have to calculate frequency, reactance, impedance, current, and phase angle phi. So we just first calculate frequency by comparing EMF equations to standard EMF equation. So E is equal to E0 sin omega t. So omega is nothing but the 314. So omega is equal to 314. So we have to omega is nothing but 2 pi f. So frequency we just calculate divide by 2 pi here. 3.14 decimal goes to numerator, so it become 100 by 2. So total answer is 50 hertz. After that we have to calculate X. X having there are two XL and XC. So inductive reactance formula is 2 pi FL. 2 multiplied by 3.14, frequency is 50 hertz. Inductor value is 0.10. Multiply 2 by 3.14, we get the 6.28. And again multiply with 50, we get the 314. Multiply with 0.1, we get 31.4 ohm inductive reactance. SI unit is ohm. Now we calculate XC, which is equal to 1 upon 2 pi FC. So this is already we done. That is answer is 314. Just multiply by 25 here into 10 raised to minus 6 goes to numerator. So 314 multiplied by 25, we get 7850. And 10 raised to 6 goes to numerator, so it becomes plus. Now we have to check a reciprocal of 7850. But we have a reciprocal chart in the range of 1.1 to 9.9. So we have to arrange that 7850 in that format. So I'm shifting 3 decimal left side, so it becomes plus 10 raised to 3 and answer is 7.850. Now move toward the reciprocal chart and we have to check 7.8 in the phi and 0. So this is a reciprocal chart. 7.8, this one, in the place of 5 and the 0 is not there. So only 1274. So you have to write here 0.1274. This 3 goes to numerator, so it becomes 6 minus 3. It's a plus 3. So I adjust that decimal. So again move toward the right side. So 10 raised to minus 3 nullify with this 10 raised to plus 3. So your answer is XC 127.4. Now we have a XL and XC. So total reactance X is XC minus XL. So it's a magnitude. Which one is greater? You take first. So their subtraction is 96 ohm. Now calculate impedance. Impedance formula is under square root of R square plus XC minus XL bracket square. R square value is 25 square. X value is that is 96 square. 25 square is 625. 96 square is 9216. And that's why their answer is 9841. Now we have to check a square root in a log table. But the square root chart, it is in again two format. That is the range of 1.1 to 9.9 or 10 to 99. So we should have to arrange that square root in such a way that we get the 10 raised to even power. Even power. So if I shift the decimal in 2 place 98.41, then I get the even power. So I choose this one range. So 10 raised to 2 square root is 10 raised to 1. Now move toward the reciprocal chart, square root chart and check 98 in the 4 and 1. So 98 in a 4 and 1. So the square root chart, second chart we have to use 98 in a 4. 4 means this one 9.970 and 1 is there is no any add to it. So only 98. The answer is, this is your answer 9.920. So 98 in a 4 1 9.920. shift that decimal, so Z is 99.20 ohm. Now we have to calculate current. It is nothing but the RMS value. So first we should have to calculate peak current. Peak current is Ohm's law, voltage upon not resistance impedance. So voltage is 310 upon 99.20 square root reciprocal. So 310 reciprocal chart, again you have to see in this format. So I shift that one decimal, it's a 9.920 into 10 raised to 1. 10 raised to 1 goes to numerator, it becomes 10 raised to minus 1. 310 into 0. Now we have to check a reciprocal of 1 upon 9.920. 9.920 in a reciprocal chart. 9.9, 9.9, 2 number, so it's a 1008. 0 is not there, so only 1008. You have to write the answer 0.1008. So I am writing here 0.1008. Okay. Then just simply multiply by 31. So you get the answer 31248. 31248. 10 raised to minus, cancel with this 0. And this 4 decimal I just write here 3.1248. So I0 value is 3.1248. We have to calculate RMS value. It just divide by root 2. You should have to learn that value. Root 2 is 1.411. So again same procedure. This is already in standard format. So this is a 3.1248 and reciprocal of 1.414 is 0.7073. So you have to check again 1.4 reciprocal chart 1.41. So its answer is 0.743 plus 5. 1.41. 1 is 7092 plus 414. 4 number is 19. Okay. So mean difference you have to subtract it. Before earlier case there is no any mean difference. So we are not added it or subtract it. It is already strictly mentioned at the top. You should have to subtract or add. So in the reciprocals we have to subtract that mean difference. So 1.4 in the 4 in the 1 it's a 7092 minus 19. 7092 minus 19. So its answer is 7073. So answer you have to write 0.7073. Now I just round figure of 3.124 to 3 and just simply multiply here. 3 multiply this one. So answer is 2.1219. Okay, that is RMS value. Now calculate cos phi. This is a impedance triangle. So in the impedance triangle, Z, X, R, cos phi is adjacent side upon impedance. So R is 25 upon 99.92. 25, 1 upon, we have to check 99.2. We already find out that reciprocal here, that place. So it's a 0.1008. So I'm writing directly 0.1008. 10 raised to 1 goes to numerator. After multiplying by 25, we get the multiplication 0.2520. Now open a natural cosine and you have to find out 0.2520. यापेक्षा छोटा नंबर शोधायचा आहे का? कॉसमध्ये मीन डिफरन्स सबस्ट्रॅक्ट करतो. मग आपल्याला उलटं शोधायचं म्हणजे आपल्याला याहून 2520पेक्षा छोटा नंबर शोधायचा आहे. सो 2504 मला नंबर मिळाला आहे विच इज ॲट द प्लेस ऑफ 75 डिग्री. पण मिनिट्स किती आहेत? आपल्याला 16 अजून कमी पडत आहेत. आपल्याकडे 20 आहे आणि दिस वन इज 4. सो 16 कमी पडत आहेत. ते मीन डिफरन्समध्ये बघायचं. मीन डिफरन्समध्ये मॅक्झिमम 14 आहेत. सो मी 14च घेतले आणि 14मध्ये इथे किती आहेत? 75 डिग्री प्लस वरती इथे या साईडला टॉपला 30 आणि आपल्याला 14 कमी पडत आहेत. सो हे 14मधला हा मीन डिफरन्स तुम्हाला याच्यात ॲडच करायचा आहे. सो 30 प्लस 5 35. सो फायनल आन्सर इज 75 डिग्री 35 मिनिट्स. ओके, 75 डिग्री 30 मिनिट्स लिहिलात तरी चालू शकेल मीन डिफरन्समध्ये, बट 75 इज ओके. ओके, सो 75 डिग्री 35 मिनिट्स. सो या क्वेश्चनमध्ये आपण रेसिप्रोकल, स्क्वेअर रूट आणि नॅचरल कोसाइन, कॉस इनवर्स कसा फाइंड आउट करायचा तो बघितला आहे. दिस इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट एक्झाम्पल. होप यू अंडरस्टूड व्हेरी वेल. थँक यू.